Are you tired of struggling with your thick, beautiful 4C hair, trying to tame it into a sleek ponytail, only to end up frustrated?
This is a painful process.
Well, today I've got some game-changing tips just for you. So first things first, make sure to saturate your hair with something in order to manipulate your hair. Right here I'm using water. As you can see, I'm still struggling to mold the hair. What I should have done is to use something to soften the hair. If your hair is thick like mine, you need something like this, a softener like this, or a detangler, or something, some sort of solution to help you manipulate your hair. You can even use a leave-in, one that your hair likes. Don't do like me by just using water. As you can see, there's a struggle there. So that is a huge tip. Get something that you know that can soften your hair. So now that the hair is softened, I'm going to be using the Extreme Gel. This gel I love because it has no protein and it has no alcohol. Make sure to be generous with the hair gel. Apply as much as you can in order to mold the hair or manipulate the hair enough to get your hair in a sleek bun. So here I am adding as much of the product as I can in order to get my hair sleek. Now I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know your hair texture. My hair texture is on the 4C spectrum. It has a Z pattern, and let me tell you, my hair has got its own unique challenges, especially when it comes to detangling. So let me know your hair texture in the comments. Okay, now that you've gotten your hair all sleek and in a ponytail, what we're going to do in order to really make the hair last for longer, we're going to apply another gel on top. And this gel is for maximum hold. You need this style to at least be lasting around 5 days. And this is what I do in order for a sleek bun like that to last 5 days. I add the Gorilla Snot gel. Now, another secret that I do is to use wrap strips. The wrap strips is going to keep the hair in place because the hair is super short. So this is going to help lay the hair flat and keep the hair flat until it dries. You don't have to use the strips, but I find when I use the strips, it really helps to keep the hair in place before I wrap my hair with a silk scarf. And hey, if you're loving the video thus far on a short 4C hair, don't forget to give me a like. It helps more people discover my videos like this one. That's my daughter being curious. And then I'm going to put the wrap my hair with my headscarf. Okay? Okay guys, so let me know in the comments where you guys are watching me from. Remember to give me a heart emoji so I know that you like this video. I'm super excited to see how this is going to turn out in the morning. So we're going to fix it up some more. So I'll be back. Okay guys, so this is the next day. I'm going to put my face on and I'll be right back. So I'm just going to be taking off the wrapper and there you have it. This is what my hair is looking like. What do you guys think? The hair was molded really nice. So this is what my hair is looking like. Nice and flat, well molded. The little ponytail section was a little bit damp, but this is what it's looking like so far. But wait. Let's put on the final touches, a hairpiece to cover up any leave out. So if you have a longer ponytail, now is the time to add it to get that really lovely finishing touches. And I'm just going to add a little accessory, and voila, this is what my ponytail, my sleek ponytail, is looking like. And there you have it, folks, the perfect sleek ponytail for short 4C natural hair. If you want more hair care tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Until next time, stay fabulous, stay curly, and hair obsessed. Adios.